Hey guys, it's Forward Boy Roy here, and today my videos are, I know that they've not been often anyway, but my phone just died, so until I get another way of doing it, I'm probably not going to be uploading. Right now, we're going to make a video going up to the shop so I can, well, first I'm going to put up this radio, do for a few more things. You don't know how bad I feel, guys. I'm coming down with something. They're the cows. They're my banjo. Oh my god. I feel like a zombie. Yeah, so until I get another way of recording stuff, this might be my last video I upload in a timely manner. So I guess y'all will see. I've been drinking water. My mom got me some cold and flu, cough and cold, something like that. Cold and flu medicine. So we're gonna be so I'm gonna be trying that a little bit later. Right now we're heading up to the shop. And I got an ant on my foot. Ow. I cut my arm somehow. Can't remember how I cut that thing. Okay. Then my twuck. Then my white twuck. Yeah, we got it up to the shop. Probably don't actually need to be up there. Can't go a whole day or so without doing anything video-wise, stuff like that. Sorry guys for me not hardly ever uploading any videos. I've just not had time between school. School has gotten a lot harder since I went into 8th grade.
Live and local country station, New Country Kicks 99.
Ba-da-da. Sugar paper. Go. Holy crap. She'll get the last. So, what are we gonna do? Crap. Toolbox review? Fuck, shop review. Okay. Come in through the door. To your left, you got your bolt bin. Junk on top. We got the radio on top of the mini fridge. Overhead up here, we got some antiques. That creeper was my grandpa's, so I never got to meet. This is my desk. Well, was my grandpa's. And here's some bottle collection. An old lock, it's got a bunch of files. My aunt's stuff is all that dead stuff. An old metal saw. It's broken because a chunk block broke off. Then we got my torch. Drill press, there, battery rack. This table's going to be moved over there. Old toolbox. This is like a working table. There's my Kennedy toolbox. We got our air compressor, grease gun, junk, some table, storage, Kennedy box. And here's my little workspace. That light would normally be on. Got my Craftsman screwdrivers. Those things are nice. Okay, so let's get into it. Front we got pliers and some Allen keys. Next, drill bits, bone saw, hatchet, gloves. Bunch of random big wrenches and smaller ones. Allen set of Allen ratchet and socket set. I would recommend that to anyone. It's only like $120 on eBay. I would recommend that to anyone. That is the best starting or mechanic set you can ever get. Now over here we got some weird crescent wrench mixed with a 3/8 ratchet. Tractor Supply junk. Some old ratchets, old Craftsman and a cheap Harbor Freight one. Impact, old Impact, well, new, but you know, that was my first Impact. And here we got an extended one. Then we got bigger sockets, and then we got drill bits and Allen keys. What's it called? Oh my gosh, tap and dies. Some drill bits and punches and stuff in there. Up here, we got an old torque wrench, you know, staple gun, duct tape, old stuff. You got, you know, Allen keys, your small screwdrivers. Then you got staples, Allen keys, your plugs, tape measures, micrometer. Thing to make things. Water than magnifier, receipts and broken drill bits, sockets, safety glasses, some old stuff, personal drawer, my nice flashlight, $200 Craftsman torque wrench. That's pretty much it for the Kennedy box. And then I got this old Husky toolbox. Here I got all my sockets up here. Cobalt standard, Cobalt metric, some Allen keys, some standard impact sockets. Here these are metric, standard, metric shallow and standard deep well. I got my Craftsman breaker bar. Then we got some adapters, swivels, Cobalt pipe cutter, NRA utility tool, some wobble heads. The first drawer we got, you know, just some screwdrivers and stuff basically. Got pliers, Allen keys and a pipe wrench, nut drivers, Cobalt rich standard metric, Cobalt wire tester, wrenches, Stanley stubbies. All these are Craftsman and a Stanley adjustable. And these are some cheap stuff, cheap Chinese. Cobalt 3/8 snap-on. This is a really old snap-on. See, that's a nice snap-on. A little Craftsman 3/4, 1/2 inch Stanley, 1/2 inch Craftsman. My adapter, my extensions. Got hammers, pry bar, big fun strips, needle nose, long needle nose. My gloves, wool, ring, oil filter wrenches, Harbor Freight ratchet, air ratchet, Mac tools, 1/2 inch impact, and little air gun, tire filler. Then we got all my liquids, spray paint. In that case, there's a hacksaw. All my everyday use tools. I got me a little vise on my workbench, a fan, torch, grinder, organizer, that stuff, and there's some more tools over there. There's an engine right here that I'll sell to you guys. And nice engine. You know, some creepers, random junk. And I think that'll end the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be putting out more. Bye.